Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Amazfit Balance. Now this came from my friends over at Antian.vn and they've got a special on at the moment. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're in Vietnam you can order one. Otherwise I'll leave the Amazon links as well. So just checking around, let's have a look at the back here as well. So sleek classic design, 1.5 inch HD AMOLED display. Body, mind, wellness tracking, AI powered, dual band GPS, and it's got assistants as well. It's got the Alexa assistant and their own assistant. The I think the Zep assistant. Right, let's have a look, see what we get in the box. Okay, nice presentation so far. And there's the first look at the watch. It's very light. First thing I notice how light it is. Right, so in here we have the booklet and the charging cable. No charging plug, unfortunately. Okay, let's put that away. Right, so it looks like a nice long cable. Let's open this up. Okay, it's nice and securely packaged anyway. Let's rip it open, there we go. Try not to break the cable. The cable's quite thin, but it's quite long as well, which is quite useful. Sometimes they make the cables very short. This one looks to be about a meter long, I would imagine. And it's got the 2-pin connectors, and I would say that that's probably magnetic as well. Type A on the other end. Right, the booklet is very basic, but is in lots and lots of different languages. Up your game. Right, there's 1.5 inch HD AMOLED display. Nice big display, 480 by 480 pixels. It looks nice and clean. On the back there you've got the microphone and speaker. This will play music from the watch, or you can have the controller to play it from your phone. The other side, it's got a nice orange ring like the Apple Ultra watch. And all the sensors are on the bottom. There we go. Right, so this will track all of these different things, including the body metrics. And it's got a one does all four. So it will do your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress and everything. The band looks very nice quality. It's made from an aluminium alloy, and that goes along with the clasp there and the end cap. They're all made from the same thing. Very, very lightweight. Almost like titanium to feel, but even lighter. This weighs only 35 grams, just the watch body itself, which is about half the weight of an Apple Watch Ultra. Let's see if it's got any battery. There we go. This has got a 1500 nit display as well, so nice and bright, and you should be able to see it no problem outside. Nice animations, nice display. Okay, there we go. Right, so we need to install the app. You can use your phone camera to scan that and then the app will download. I've already downloaded the app. This is what it looks like. So you've got your stress, your steps, all of your fitness. It does 150 different workouts. I went for a short walk with it. Battery. Spoiler alert, these results are from later on in the week, but the battery lasted 6 days and still had 43% left, so I'm very impressed with the battery. Watch faces, I'll do another video on watch faces because there are so many, and I'll pick the best 10 that I've found and I'll do a video on that. Right, as I said here, 43% left after 6 days. Great watch, I'm very impressed with it. If I find any other things that I think I need to make a video on, I will. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.